bigger meters, usually Taggle recommends or clients uses H4000 meters. This is as an example of H4000 meter. This H4000 meter requires a PR7 tag. Now, I recommend that you take a photo of the initial read before you install the PR7 because it will cover the dials. So once you take a photo, once you have installed the meter, take a photo of the front, the top view, showing the meter number and showing all the dials while the water is still off. Once you've done that, you can proceed to install the PR7. This is a PR7. It still has that ear that goes into that, well, I call it a notch. So just put it under, put it into the notch. Once it's in, oh, by the way, it also has that black switch at the bottom, which needs to be flush to the meter face so that this pulsar functions properly. So you have to put that in to the notch, the ear, and then secure the pulsar to the meter using 2 screws. It takes a bit of time to screw it in. That's why we recommend sometimes the mechanical screwdriver, not the manual screwdriver, so that it will be fast when you're out in the field and installing this sensor. So the second screw goes in. Once the screws are securely in, we recommend that photos of how the pulsar is installed on the meter be taken, like from the side, from this side, showing the gap between the pulsar and the meter face, and from this side. Once that's done, this PR7 comes with 2 blue tamper-proof devices that you can put in. So once you push this in, it will lock on to the meter, to the pulsar, and that's your indication if someone has tampered with the pulsar in the future. If you don't see that on the pulsar, then there's a big possibility, or there's almost 100% possibility that someone tried to tamper with your pulsar. So this one is connected to an ADC. Again, as I've said earlier, an ADC, you need to swipe across the barcode so that you can get a reading on your phone of how strong is the transmission. So it should be, again, it should be at least 4 out of 5 transmissions. So there's 5 transmissions there, and we're getting green up to red. Now, the reason why we're getting red here where I am right now in the office of Taggle is because there's a receiver a bit far from our office, and we're still getting receptions to that from that receiver. But we usually recommend that it should be only from the orange up to the green. So that's about negative 130 dB to negative 75 or 65 or even lower. So if you don't want to look at the numbers, just look at the colors. We recommend you go only until that part there. There's a black between a red and the orange. So from there up to the green. If you're within that and you're getting 4 out of 5, all good.